In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new user to 1Password. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser, head on over to my.1password.com and sign into your account. Now, before we start, we need to go ahead and be on a family account. So come to the left, come over to billing, and then make sure you are on a family account for this. So as you can see, I've selected families, but if you're on individual, you're only going to be the one having access. So you need to switch that over. Then once you do, you're going to have another tab or more tabs appear on the left hand side. So we can go in and click onto people, and if we want to add someone else, we can. So we can invite people. So click on plus invite people, put in that person's email address, and it says here you can add 4 or more members at no additional cost. And then we can select invitation type, so we can do guest or family member. But if it's someone outside your family, we've got spaces for 5 more guests at no extra cost. So put in the email address, click invite. They will need to go ahead and open up their emails to accept that invite, and then once they do, they're going to be added as a new user to 1Password.